Here at Caloundra RSL, we're trying to create a safe environment for everyone to come along. We've gone to great lengths to move poker machines. We've moved our furniture so it is safe. We're also undertaking the fogging. That additional step ensures your safety. The fog we're using is TGA certified. It's a hospital-grade disinfectant and is 100% safe.
The positive effect we've found with the locations we've fogged and cleaned is we're creating a bubble, so if they sanitise on the way in, it's very safe. So what we're doing here is we're just using a test kit which tests pH and sanitiser quantity on the surface that's just been fogged. You can see the product sitting on there now. What we do is we use this paper here and we put it on here to get a swab. As you can see, once we get the swab, it changes colour. Then we get the colour chart, which is colour coded. Basically what that does is shows how much disinfectant and sanitizer is on that surface. So they do state, the World Health Organisation, that it should have 250 parts per million or above. On this test here, it indicates that it's above 400 parts per million. So we're probably double the amount that creates a safe environment for both the staff here and also the customers.
Our members are predominantly from the very vulnerable groups. We're really dedicated to making sure that they enjoy their time here, knowing that they are safe.
There's not a lot of other clubs on the coast doing this, and not a lot of clubs are as proactive as what Shane and his team at the Caloundra RSL have been towards this project.
Your safety is really important to us. We've been working very hard to make it a safe environment, and we hope to see you soon.